Number 4, the power of a power property. So notice there's an exponent and there's an exponent on the outside. It has to distribute. When it is distribute, it multiplies. So the exponent of 4 is going to be multiplied to that exponent of 3. Okay, that gets you x to the 12. The explanation of this is you have x to the 4th, but it's to the 3rd power. So you multiply it to an x to the 4th, then another x to the 4th. Okay, here we can just add all the exponents. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 becomes x to the 12. Okay, that's the explanation of why the power of a power property works the way it works. Again here we have a power of a power, so we distribute. So the exponent is a -2. We're going to multiply that to the 5. That gets you x to the -10. But we're not allowed to leave it as a negative exponent, so make it sure it's over 1. Then you bring it down. So it's now down with x to the +10 exponent. All right. Then let's do this one. Okay. Let's distribute this in with this. So we have x -3 times -7. This gets you x to the +21. The fact that the exponent is +21, we don't have to touch it. So there you go. That is how you do a power of a power.